because it's so simple and it creates fun looks for your nails. All right, so pick up the a good amount of condensed glue gel, not too thick, also not too thin. I love about this is Diamond Dust Pixie when we're using our crystal trifecta. So then what it does, it looks so nice when it finishes. Also that after a few days, if a lot of you having the troubleshooting, like, oh my gosh, I have a Diamond Dust Pixie for clients, looks so gorgeous, and then the next few days it looks so dirty and it's like really smashed, like really getting dirty. The reason it is because if you will not apply the no wipe top coat on the top of the condensed glue gels, and what it does is still have a tacky layer between all the tiny little pixie, and then it's not going away. It doesn't matter how well you are going to cleaning it. I mean, to wipe it up, it still have a tacky layer between the tiny little Diamond Dust Pixie. So what it does, it's collecting all of the dust and all of like stuff that is might getting and running into the client's nails. So what it does is make it look so dirty. Look, when they wearing a Diamond Dust Pixie, but then try it out, the concept that I share with you, which is it's trifecta, crystal trifecta. So what it does is completely sealed, so you have no tacky layer. So when you finish with the nails, the nails going to be completely dry and it's not going to catch any of the furs, dust or anything during the time the client's wearing it, the Diamond Dust Pixie. So I picked several different shapes randomly. You can put in any colors you would like. I'm putting a fall theme. However, you can change it into the different theme throughout the year. It doesn't have to be is like fall theme. You can do any throughout the year, which is like pink, purple, blue, whatever a theme, the colors you might have in your mind. It's really simple. And I'm gonna pick up one of my super cute charm that I'm talking about from a set charms, is under the new arrival. You can check it out. Little batch right here. So it's really cool about Diamond Dust Pixie. You don't have to get it completely like full the nails. You can add a lot of cool designs on as you prefer, and then you can do the Diamond Dust Pixie on the top. Okay, so this is come with my subscription box, so I'm so excited. So now let me move this is all that trays away. Get one of the really clean tray, and we're gonna have this is open. Can you get this open for me? This is one of really cool and an easy ways to do your nail art for fall. So I did have a super cute bat, and then a spider web. And make sure you are going to pour in the tray. And what you need to do is just tap it and tape of it in the side to make sure that it stays nice and tight in to the nails. Oh my gosh, I'm loving it. And matching perfect with the pumpkin. I mean the color gel polish. You can also do this with the liquid powder. I'm gonna give it really little touch to make sure they all and stay really like they're so beautiful. Make sure they're all good. And then now if you're happy with this, we are going to clear this beauties in like 60 seconds. Okay, how fast it is.